Shifting focus to some more breaking news coming in. This is coming in from the pole-bound state of Maharashtra. Now, the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, erected by the Navy and inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the 3rd of December 2023, has collapsed. Now, Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has said officials from the Public Works Department and the Navy will visit the site and investigate the cause behind the collapse and reinstall the statue. The opposition has also questioned the government's infrastructure record. And now what we are learning is that an FIR has been filed against two people in this collapse case. Jaideep Apte, the proprietor of the artist company, and the structural consultant Chetan Patil have been booked in connection to this case. That's what we are learning, where two people have been booked in connection to the collapse of this statue. This coming right ahead of the Maharashtra elections. We're getting a reaction from Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. Let's listen in.
झालेली घटना अतिशय दुर्दैवी आहे. छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज यांचं महाराष्ट्राचं आराध्य दैवत आहे आणि ज्या पुतळ्याचं लोकार्पण आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदीजींनी केलं होतं, तो पुतळा त्या कार्यक्रमाला आम्ही होतो. छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज ही आमची अस्मिता आहे आणि हा पुतळा जो आहे हा नेव्हीने उभारला होता. त्याचं कंप्लीट डिझाईन नेव्हीने तयार केलं होतं आणि मी कलेक्टरशी बोलल्यानंतर त्यांनी मला सांगितलं 45 किलोमीटर पर आवर अशा प्रकारचा वारा, सुसाट्याचा वारा जो वोग होता आणि त्या याच्यामध्ये पुतळ्याचं नुकसान झालेलं आहे. पण मी आपल्याला सांगू इच्छितो, उद्याच तिथे नेव्हीचे अधिकारी येणार आहेत. आमचे पालकमंत्री रवींद्र चव्हाण देखील घटनास्थळी गेलेत. मी त्यांना सांगितले, सूचना केलेल्या आहेत आणि उद्या तात्काळ यामध्ये नेव्हीचे अधिकारी, आमचे अधिकारी हे छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचा जो काही पुतळा आहे पूर्णाकृती हा पुन्हा दिमाखामध्ये तिथं मजबूतीने उभा करण्याचं काम आम्ही करू.
And I'm joined by my colleague Mayuresh on the broadcast. So Mayuresh, this is a huge jolt to the Maharashtra government, given the fact that just last year Prime Minister Modi inaugurated this statue. So speedy action is the need of the hour, coming right ahead of the state elections, where now what we are learning is that two people have been booked, the sculptor as well as the structural consultant, when it comes to this statue collapse taking place in Maharashtra.
Absolutely, and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is an emotional issue for state of Maharashtra, as everyone know what exactly is the reason. But now the state government has taken action. They have filed an FIR in Malvan police station against Jaideep Apte, who was a sculptor and also the proprietor of MS Artist, and also Chetan Patil, who was a consultant for this particular project. If you remember that last year only PM Narendra Modi had inaugurated this particular statue on the naval day, where he had come to Malvan beach and he had inaugurated this statue. But prima facie, what we have been given to understand is that the wind speed could be the reason behind this collapse, because the expert in this particular area are still yet to visit the spot and give the exact reason. But what we are learning from the local information which we are getting, that the wind speed is basically considered as it was somewhere around 45 to 50 kilometers, and that was the main cause. But it was very unfortunate incident, and in this matter now the Maharashtra government has taken the action, and they have booked two people in this. One is a sculptor, which is Jaideep Apte, and another person is a consultant for this project. His name is Chetan Patil.
Right, and Chief Minister Eknath Shinde making it very clear that action will be taken against all those involved in this mishap that has taken place in Maharashtra. Remember, this is coming right ahead of the elections.